ano. It's not a cherry blossom. It's not sakura. Mula kay Marisha. Ang golden trumpet. Pero kung saan so chewy. Ang golden trumpet or ang yellow. Kasi what known is tawag na summer twinkle. I guess siguro dapat na siya kay parang spring tree since magulak siya during spring. Ang ganyan kanyang mamulak siya during summer, so dapat mo siyang summer cake. So, hanggang tayo sa mga particular things. Look at that! So cute. Super kami. Naka-try cake. Very dami. Everything is flower. Wow. Uy, sanctuary for us. Sanctuary for Asia. Asia. Wow. Ready for PYC. Next week na. I can't identify the parcel. This is the, I don't know, I think where they burn their principles and inside, where it's not. Inside, dito siya na. Okay, so there are people so dito sa sanctuary and nawala na ako magbalik. Ako mag-video dito. So nihawa ko dito sa sanctuary because na-notice ko sa mga tao sa naman day tao sa sulod ko. Tingnan din ko, ma'am, sulod ma'am, ayaw ka ulo ko. Ano din ko na, ayaw kaya ay, nag-agira ko. Okay, ay, nag-video ako dito sa gawas. Whatever. For Asia. Wow. It's super gold. As I remember, marag naka-encounter ko, nakakita ko ani dito sa mukha. Way back 2017 siguro. And Laz nag-tour me dito regarding sa parts or sa rooms and mga furniture sa sanctuary. And it's my first time I get to see this one. It's very, sorry, wala ko remember na gold man dito. So it's a good parang ako. So today is holiday. And guess where have I been? Hindi ko shoes ko sa fast food to get my lunch. Pero it's already 2:15. I'm gonna eat my lunch this late because naglaba ko. And naganti kong gilabahan. Sabi na, because I'm going home. I need to walk out my labunon. Naglaba food ko sa akong mga shoes. And then, after ko nag-vlog ako, i-invest na parcel. Pero kayo wala ko dala sa akong ID. So, balik ka na sa sa room. I-invest akong parcel. And then, ko ID. At ito, passport din. Nagdito sa Sakura ng English. So, right now, nagano mga new faces here. I guess, ang mga delegates for the PIC next week. They are preparing their tents, buildings dito sa gate. Yes, na may sanctuary. So, parang pakanapin ako. Observe sa akong palibot here. Because usually, I just walk around, go to my classes, and then to get my food, and then go home sa dorm. So, right now, balik na ako sa dorm. Yes, my main goal was to take pictures of the pink and I did it. So, yes, done. So, and I'm going somewhere, which is 30.
Songs, give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be loving.